This Diamond Realty and Associates property video is presented by Mindy Wardlaw. See this wonderful home with open floor plan, island kitchen with hearth room for the family to gather and dining area. Huge den or den formal dining combination. 2 remote bedrooms with common bath, king-size master bedroom with huge walk-in shower. The whole home is handicap accessible as well. Make this home your own with your unqie touches. Half bath for guests. This home has storage and cabinetry galore too. Enclosed patio for cool summer nights or for the pets with doggie door to the wonderful fenced backyard. Separate man cave or workshop with lots of potential and covered patio area here. Private backyard with no rear neighbors. Home sold as is cosmetically, all major systems working order. See agent.